Fence pickets cracking at nail holes is one of the most annoying problems when you're trying to get your fence looking solid and fresh. So, if you want to keep your fence pickets from cracking, start by pre-drilling the nail holes before you hammer anything in. This little step helps the wood not split when the nail goes in, which saves you from having to replace those pickets later. Use a drill bit that's just a little smaller than your nail to make the hole. Also, avoid nailing too close to the edges of the pickets, because that weak spot cracks easier. When you're picking your nails, go for ones with a coating that helps resist rust and keeps your fence strong over time. If the wood is dry or old, try soaking it in water for a bit before working on it so it's less likely to crack. And remember, don't smash the nails in all the way right away. Tap gently at first to avoid putting too much pressure on the wood. Taking these steps can keep your fence looking good and save you money on repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fence pickets cracking at nail holes is skipping the pre-drilling step, which just puts too much stress on the wood and causes splits. Fix this by always drilling pilot holes slightly smaller than the nail size before nailing. Another common issue is using nails that are too big or close to the edges of the pickets, which makes cracking almost guaranteed. To avoid this, pick nails that fit well and nail at least 1 inch away from the edges. Lastly, not checking the wood condition is a big problem. Dry or brittle wood cracks easier, so moistening it a bit before nailing can save you from damage. BigHomeProjects.com is a great way to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fence, repairs, and other home projects. It also helps contractors find new clients who need reliable work done, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.